Hey, I'm Fish. Man, I gotta relearn my camera. I done a lot of talking and probably on the wrong mode. And I don't want to put it on 360 and do a lot of hard editing. I know it's easy to do it. I just want to sit there and play with it. So I am holding the camera like this. To put it down. Don't do the high five. I'm gonna have troubles. And I've always been looking up at the sky. So right now, doing a good job. I'm holding it out by hand. And I gotta wait for the Free Frame 2.0 selfie stick. And I don't think it, yes it does, it has a remote control in it. But the other stick that comes with the bundle package doesn't have a remote control. I'm not talking for the X5, talking for another camera. Oh yeah, man. Cold it is. I'll tell you what we're gonna do. We're just gonna go another round and call it a day. That was hard. Free Frame 2.0, I finally got it on. It just gave me a little trouble. Let me bring it on out. There I go. I did set up the camera to the right moves and all. I just had a little issue getting things going. I did my live. I talked for about 8 minutes, I guess. I'm not sure I'm on pure video with Free Frame 2.0 now. I don't know if it does it automatically. I put my tripod Andy sign on it, so let me just make sure I don't hold it by that. This stick would just fall down on me. I got the mic air going, don't have to yell to the camera. And there I am. I got my footage. And off I go. I got some plans coming up ahead which I want to do. Don't have to spend all the time. That's what I think I am going to do. Be all outdoors. Yes, indeed. Oh man, we're having some fun later. Not going to be a 360 moment because when raindrops, flakes, dust, dirt gets on the lens, it ruined the shot. Any camera ruined the shot. More on the 360 than anything else. Well, I hope you enjoyed the shots here, the show, the talk. I gotta go meet up with Joe. And I gotta go take care of beeswax. I'm not sure why I get what I got. And on that note, I'm Fish. And I'll see you on the next one.